Investment research is a complex process for individual investors. You are stuck between a rock and a hard place. Either you use professional research terminals that offer enterprise capabilities but cost a fortune, or use free data sources that are often unreliable. Free yourself with access to professional-grade data and the flexibility offered by spreadsheets with MarketXLS, the #1 spreadsheet-based investment research platform. MarketXLS Analytics Engine delivers reliable analytics via hundreds of functions and templates in your spreadsheets, making it easy for you to do your research and create your models. Imagine having access to 1 billion data points straight from your sheets. And with our reliable real-time streaming service, you are never behind the markets. MarketXLS gives you enterprise-grade data, analytics, availability, and security from the simplicity, cost-effectiveness, and flexibility of spreadsheets. Better research, faster decisions, more profits with MarketXLS. Get started today at MarketXLS.com.